Good morning, students of class 5. Students, today we will be continuing with English grammar. So, those of you who are having English grammar books, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 36. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 36. Students, today we'll be doing Unit 9, Nouns, Possession. Unit 9, Nouns, Possession. So please take out your English grammar books and turn page number 36. Students, in Unit 9, we'll be learning about nouns, possession. Now, students, let's talk about nouns first. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, the next word is possession. Now, what does this word possession mean? Now, students, as you can see that in the spelling of possession, you get the spelling of possess. Possess means who is the owner of a particular thing, who possesses that thing. That means a particular thing belongs to whom. So possession means possess. The word possess comes from the word possession, which means ownership, that a particular thing belongs to somebody. So possessive nouns are the nouns that shows ownership or possession. ये बताता है कि कोई particular चीज किसकी है. That is possession. इसका owner कौन है? That is possession. So nouns, possession. Possessive nouns are nouns. अब nouns possession का मतलब क्या हुआ? Possessive nouns. कि possessive nouns कौन से हैं? बताते हैं. वो nouns होते हैं जो बताते हैं particular ownership या possession. Suppose I'm reading from a book. I'll say, this is my book. Isn't it? This is my book. This shows that this book belongs to me. Isn't it? Often you say, my friend's book. My friends. Now the word friend has got an apostrophe in it with a followed by a S, because you're talking about one friend. Isn't it? So we use apostrophe S to show possessions, and the nouns which have got apostrophe, sign of apostrophe in them, they are known as possessive nouns. So what are possessive nouns? Possessive nouns are nouns that show ownership or possession. Possessive nouns are nouns that shows ownership or possession. And possessive nouns, students, can be singular and plural both. They can be singular also and they can be plural. Like when you say, my friend's book. My friend's book. It can be one friend, it can be more than one friend also. So, they can be singular or plural. Possessive nouns are nouns that show ownership or possession. Now, students, you know that we use an apostrophe to show possession. Now, student, this is the sign of apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe, and this sign is used in the noun to show possession. To show possession, that who owns a particular thing. So that shows the possession. So nouns having apostrophe are possessive nouns. Now students, read the following sentences. Look at Sneha's dress. In this student, first sentence, the word Sneha. It is a name of a girl. And with that, we have used apostrophe. Can you see that apostrophe? And it is being followed by a S. Look at Sneha's dress. यहाँ पे बेटा apostrophe का sign S के पहले लगाया गया. Because we are talking about one girl. Singular. Sneha is a single girl. Isn't it? So look at Sneha's dress. It is her granny's gift to her. The second sentence has got the noun granny with an apostrophe S. Now this shows, first we are talking about, look at Sneha's dress. Whose dress are we talking about? Sneha. Kiski dress thi? Whose dress? Sneha's dress, isn't it? So the apostrophe S shows that the dress belongs to a girl named Sneha. This is Sneha's dress. है ना? Now, it is her granny's gift to her. Now, who gifted that dress to her? Sneha's granny. Whose granny? Sneha's granny's gift. It is Sneha's granny. So, granny's gift to her. Sneha's grandmother has gifted that dress to her. Now, both of them went to a children's showroom. Which showroom? A showroom which had things of children only, isn't it? So children's, again the word children has got apostrophe S, and went to kids section. In general showroom, they went to which section? Kids. Now can you see the difference, student? In the first three sentences, the apostrophe had come before S. Can you see over here? Apostrophe had come before S. But in the fourth sentence, what is the difference? After S, the sign of apostrophe has been used. Now, why it has been used after S? Now, that rule I'll be telling you. But you keep in mind that three places we saw that the sign of apostrophe had been used before S, and in the fourth sentence, it had been used after S. So, I'll let you know that. Now, the fifth sentence says, Sneha's granny chose this dress for her. Now, who chose this dress for her? Sneha's granny. Whose grandmother? Not yours, not mine, but whose grandmother? Sneha's granny. This shows the relationship that whose grandmother? Sneha's granny chose the dress for her. Now, Sneha has to attend her cousin's wedding. Now, whose wedding Sneha has to attend? Cousin's wedding. So, she will go to her uncle's house next week. Where will she go? Her uncle's house. Whose uncle? Sneha's uncle. So her uncle's house. Here also apostrophe is coming before S. Now we have seen that in this paragraph there were 6 nouns which had sign of apostrophe before S, but one noun had a sign of apostrophe after S. Now why is it so? Why is it so? Now students, I'll be explaining you the rule for this. Now, all the underlined words shows possession. Now children, you need to keep in mind that possessive nouns can be both singular and plural. Now, all the singular nouns generally don't have S at its end, isn't it? They don't have S at its end, but for making them plural, generally we add S, IES and so on, but not necessary. All the plurals do not end with S. There are exceptions like children, oxen, men, women. They don't have S at their end. So you need to keep this rule in your mind. So students, the rule says that all the singular words will be having the sign of apostrophe after the word followed by a S. Let's see the example. Now, S shows that something belongs to someone. Apostrophe S shows the possession. And the words having apostrophe S are known as possessive nouns. We can see examples. Ram's bat. Whose bat? Ram's bat. Now here the sign of apostrophe has come after Ram and it is followed by an S. Why is it so? Because Ram is a singular noun. Ram is a singular noun. Second example is Ravi's school. Now here also we are talking about whose school? Ravi's school. Ravi is again a singular noun. So at the end sign of apostrophe is there followed by a S. Now next example is Sia's toy. Again you see after Sia a sign of apostrophe is there and then followed by S. So children, you need to remember this कि जो भी बेटा सिंगुलर नाउन है और उसमें हम apostrophe का साइन वर्ड के बाद में लगाते हैं और अपॉस्ट्रोफी के साइन के बाद हम एस लगाते हैं फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन. दिस इज रूल नंबर 1. ओके, बट नाउ when a plural ends in s, we add an apostrophe after it to show possession. Example: parents, support, students' diaries, boys' hostel, etc. Now students, now you need to remember this कि बेटा कोई भी प्लूरल होता है उसके एंड में एस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉयज, बॉय का प्लूरल क्या हुआ? बॉयज. अब अगर बॉयज प्लूरल है और हमको दिखाना है कोई चीज जो कई सारे बॉयज की है, उनका पोजेशन दिखाना है, तो हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन एस के बाद लगाएंगे. तो ऑल दोज प्लूरल्स व्हिच हैव गॉट एस एट इट्स एंड, जो भी प्लूरल नाउन से बेटा जिनके लास्ट में एस आता है, उन वर्ड्स में हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन एस के बाद में लगाएंगे. यू नीड टू कीप दिस इन माइंड. तो let's look at the example. When a plural ends in s, we add an apostrophe after it to show possession. कोई भी प्लूरल वर्ड है जो s में एंड करता हो, अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन हमेशा बेटा s के बाद में आएगा. और कोई सिंगुलर नाउन जिसमें लास्ट में s नहीं हो, वहां पे अपॉस्ट्रोफी का नाइन s के पहले. तो जो सिंगुलर वर्ड है s में नहीं एंड करता है, अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन s के पहले. और जो प्लूरल नाउन है s में एंड करता है, तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन s के बाद में. प्लूरल आफ्टर s, सिंगुलर बिफोर s. प्लूरल साइन ऑफ अपॉस्ट्रोफी after s and singular before s. Now you need to keep this in mind, learn it. Now students, you see the example. Parents support. Parents, we mother and father, they both combine and form parents, so it's plural. So parents support. Now parents is a plural word, so the sign of apostrophe will come after s. Parents support. Students diaries. Now the word student, this noun is also plural, so apostrophe will come after s. Boys hostel. Boys, not one boys hostel, but the hostel belongs to many boys, so the sign of apostrophe will come after s. So you need to keep in mind where there's a singular noun which does not end with s, the sign of apostrophe will come before s. But a plural noun which ends in s, the sign of apostrophe will come after s. So please keep this in mind. Now, the third rule says, when a plural does not end in s, we simply add s. अब बेटा कुछ प्लूरल, I said as exceptions are always there, like children, people, men, oxen, women. These are also plural words, but they don't have s at its last. ये सारे वर्ड्स हैं, चिल्ड्रन, ऑक्सन, मैन, विमेन, पीपल, इनके लास्ट में एंड में बेटा s नहीं आता. दो दे आर प्लूरल बट s नहीं आता है. तब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन बिफोर s लगाएंगे. Children, write the word children, put the sign of apostrophe followed by a s. तो वो words जो plural हैं, अभी ध्यान से सुनो, वो words जो plural हैं बट उनके end में s नहीं आता है, तो उन cases में हम apostrophe का sign s के पहले लगाएंगे. लेकिन अगर कोई भी plural जो s में end करता है, तो apostrophe का sign हम बेटा s के बाद में लगाएंगे. Next example is people's choice. People is plural but doesn't have s at its end, so we will use the sign of apostrophe before s. Men's deodorant. Men is again plural but does not end with s, so we will put the sign of apostrophe before s. Now students, one more thing to remember. With non-living objects, we generally do not use s to show possessions. Instead we use of. बेटा जितनी भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं, आप कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग ये तो नहीं बोलेगी आपसे माय मदर, माय बैग, माय बुक. ये तो लिविंग बींग्स का हो सकता है. कैट कैन से माय फरी टेल, isn't it? Elephant has got a trunk, that is his possession. We can say my book, my dress, my house, my mother, my father. This my father, my mother, they shows the relationship that whose mother? My mother. The relationship is that She is your mother. The relationship is that he is your father. So they show the relationship. Ownership, my book, my bag, my school. This is the ownership. You tell, isn't it? That a particular thing belongs to you, isn't it? So non-living things do not use apostrophe s. You need to keep it mind कि जितने भी बेटा एनिमल्स होंगे, ह्यूमन बींग्स होंगे, उन्हीं के साथ लिविंग थिंग्स के संग हाँ आप apostrophe s यूज करेंगे, बट नॉन लिविंग्स के संग हम कभी भी apostrophe s नहीं यूज करेंगे. इंस्टेड वी यूज द वर्ड ऑफ. The name of the city. The name of the city is Varanasi. The leg of the chair is broken. The pockets of the shirt. ये जितनी भी shirt है, chair है, city है. These are not living things. ये सब living है? No. So we will use the word of with them. Now, student, the tip of the day. You need to remember this. Singular nouns and plural nouns ending in s will take apostrophe s or a sign of apostrophe after s. अब बेटा आप मुझसे ध्यान से सुनिए. क्या अगर कोई सिंगुलर नाउन है, कोई भी सिंगुलर नाउन है, तो उसके लास्ट में अगर s नहीं है और हमको उसका पोजीशन बताना, उसको पोजेसिव नाउन में चेंज करना है, तो हम लास्ट वर्ड के बाद जो भी वर्ड का लास्ट लेटर है उसके बाद साइन ऑफ अपॉस्ट्रोफी लगाएंगे, उसके बाद एस लगाएंगे. ये सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए रूल है. लेकिन अगर प्लूरल नाउन है, लास्ट में एस है, तो हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन कहाँ यूज करेंगे? आफ्टर एस. कोई भी वर्ड बेटा जिसके लास्ट में एस हो, उधर अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन कहाँ आएगा? एस के बाद में आएगा. लेकिन जहां लास्ट में एस नहीं है, सो स्टूडेंट्स, you need to keep in mind that singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in s will take apostrophe s, whereas plural nouns ending in s will take only the sign of apostrophe. जहां भी लास्ट में s होगा बेटा अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन उसके बाद आएगा, और जहां s नहीं होगा वहां अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन भी आएगा और उसके बाद s आएगा. उसको हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी s बोलते हैं. And non-living objects generally don't use s. Now students, our next exercise is use an apostrophe to show possession. Now students, one very important thing to remember, that a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to. For example, in this first sentence we'll see the school where Irfan studies. In this sentence, students, the possessive noun is Irfan. So when we'll write it using apostrophe, we will be writing Irfan first because that is the possessive noun. And बेटा उसके बाद जो चीज पोजेस करता है वो हमेशा पोजेसिव नाउन के बाद आता है. सो हियर यू कैन सी इरफान स्कूल. इरफान इज द पोजेसिव नाउन एंड स्कूल विल बी फॉलोड बाय इरफान. तो आपको याद रखना है, अ पोजेसिव नाउन ऑलवेज कम्स बिफोर द नाउन दैट बिलोंग्स टू इट. Second, the game meant for a child. Here, a child's game. Your child, singular, so child will have apostrophe followed by s. Child's game. You can also write a child's game. A child's game. A child's game. Then next is the speech that the principal gave. Now here the possessive noun is the principal. So the principal's speech, the principal will come in before and speech will be followed after principal, because principal is the possessive noun. And children, please remember that principal P is always capital. Principal's P is always capital and principal is a singular noun. So at the end we'll be putting in sign of apostrophe followed by s. So principal speech. So keep in mind, a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. And what is a possessive noun? A noun that shows ownership or possession. Now, the fourth sentence is the house where Rohan lives. Now, the possessive noun is Rohan. So, Rohan will come first, and Rohan is a singular noun. So, it will have apostrophe followed by S. We will use apostrophe S in Rohan. Rohan's house. Then, the fifth one, the uniform of the students. Now, students is the possessive noun. So, the students, now look over here, students. In this noun, student, your student is plural noun having S at its end. So, now you need to remember all those words having S at its end, the sign of apostrophe will come after S. So, the students' uniforms. The students' uniform. Sign of apostrophe will come after S. The students' uniforms. And students is possessive noun. So, first we'll write the students followed by uniforms. Now, sixth, the helmets of the bikers. Here also the bikers, again, plural noun. So, apostrophe will come after S. The bikers' helmets. The bikers' helmets. Now, the seventh one, the dress of the baby. The baby is singular noun. So, we'll be writing baby followed by apostrophe S. The baby's dress. आपको याद रखना है जहां भी लास्ट में S आएगा apostrophe का साइन उसके बाद जाएगा और जहां S नहीं है वहां हमको apostrophe का साइन और S लगाना है. Now, up the toys of the babies. Here, babies is plural having S at its end. So, we will write the babies toys and babies के बाद में apostrophe का sign आएगा because जहां भी last में S होता है वहां हम S के बाद में apostrophe का sign लगाते हैं. Then we don't put another S. 2S कभी नहीं आएंगे. जहां लास्ट में S है only you just need to remember S के बाद हमको apostrophe का sign यूज करना है. Next, the tail of an elephant. Now, an elephant, we are talking about singular noun. So, an elephant's tail. After elephant, we will use apostrophe S. An elephant's tail. The shop of a grocer. Now, here we are talking about a grocer, singular noun. So, the grocer's shop. After grocer, we will write apostrophe S, the grocer's shop. Now, 11, the shoes of the ladies. Here, ladies is again plural having S at its end. So, we will write ladies' shoes and sign of apostrophe will come after S. After S, wherever there is S at the end of the word, sign of apostrophe will always come after the S. Now, 12. The birthday of my sister. We are talking about my sister, singular noun. So, my sister's birthday. After sister, we will be writing apostrophe S. My sister's birthday. 13. The wedding anniversary of my grandparents. Okay, my grandparents. Again a plural noun. So, my grandparents is a plural word. So, the sign of apostrophe will be coming after S. My grandparents' wedding anniversary. Now, 14. The order of the commander-in-chief. The commander-in-chief, singular noun. So, S will be coming after F. The commander-in-chief's order. The commander-in-chief's order. So, here the sign of apostrophe will come after F. Sign of here, like this it will come. The commander-in-chief's order. The commander-in-chief's order. Next, 15. The sting of a bee. We are talking about a bee, singular noun. So, a bee's sting. Apostrophe S will come after B. A bee's sting. जहां भी singular noun है, last में S नहीं है, तो apostrophe and S we have to write. जहां plural है, last में S है, हमें S के बाद apostrophe का sign बेटा use करना है. 16. The shirts of boys. Look over here. Boys again plural, possessive noun. So, the boys और apostrophe का sign कहाँ आएगा? S के बाद में. The boys' shirts. Now, Exercise 2. Complete the sentences using the words in the brackets, and you have to either write apostrophe S or use the sign of apostrophe after S. Now, what is the name of this book? The name oblique this book. Now, dash are bushy, tails and squirrel. So, here the word squirrels is plural. So, we will be using apostrophe after S. The squirrel's tails are bushy. Plural noun. Plural possessive noun. The squirrel's tails are bushy. So, apostrophe will come after S. Next, costume oblique the actress. Dash is ready. Now, we are talking about one actress. But students, you need to remember that in the word actress, in last alphabet is S. तो बेटा जहां भी एस जिस भी वर्ड में लास्ट में आता है ये आपको याद रखना है. ये नाउन्स पोजेशन का रूल है कि अपोस्ट्रोफी का साइन हमेशा एस के बाद में आएगा. जिस भी वर्ड में एस है उसके बाद में अपोस्ट्रोफी का साइन आएगा. सो एक्ट्रेस यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है लेकिन लास्ट में एस है तो अपोस्ट्रोफी का साइन एस के बाद आएगा. फिर वी डोंट हैव टू राइट एस आफ्टर इट. सो प्लीज कीप दिस इन माइंड. सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो, जिस भी वर्ड के लास्ट में एस है अपोस्ट्रोफी का साइन एस के बाद में. तो द एक्ट्रेस कॉस्ट्यूम इज रेडी. एक्ट्रेस सिंगुलर है बट लास्ट में एस है इसलिए अपोस्ट्रोफी का साइन एस के बाद में. Dash was rebuilt. Hut the farmer. We are talking about one farmer. So the farmer's hut. Farmer beta singular hai, apostrophe and S will come. The farmer's hut was rebuilt. Now the walls hut dash were not painted. Now here again hut is a singular noun. So the hut's walls were not painted. Here S is missing. So please write S. The hut's walls were not painted. Please write S. Now sixth one. That is dash. Medal Tithi. Tithi's medal. So Tithi singular noun. So after Tithi we will be writing apostrophe S. The dash were washed. Bottles baby. Now plural. So sign of apostrophe will come after S. The baby's bottles were washed. The fisherman's nets are strong. Okay, fisherman net. Here we are talking about singular. So apostrophe S. The fisherman, after fisherman, write apostrophe S. The fisherman's nets are strong. Nets is plural. Fine. But then fisherman is singular. So we need to keep in mind that possessive nouns जहां भी singular होंगे वहां पे apostrophe S आएगा. Nets are plural. Fine. The word nets are plural. But then fisherman is singular. So apostrophe S will come after fisherman. Leg stool. Stool again one thing. Singular noun. So the stool's leg. After stool, we'll be writing apostrophe egg. The stool's legs are wobbly. Wobbly means shaking, not stable. 10th. The dash were hurt. Legs, horses. Now, we are talking about one horse. So, the horses, after horse, we'll be writing apostrophe S and then legs. The horses' legs were hurt. So, students, again I'm repeating. We add apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. But we add apostrophe only when the words end in S. So don't forget this rule. Now the next page. Rewrite the sentences by using sign of apostrophe only, that is apostrophe or apostrophe S where required. Now the first sentence, student, is it is the birthday of Astha. So we will be writing it is Astha's birthday. Astha singular noun. So sign of apostrophe will come after Astha followed by S. It is Astha's birthday. Second, he made a film for children. Now, whose film are we talking about? Children. Children is the possessive noun, but children, the word children doesn't have S in its last, so we'll be writing he made a children's film. Children plural है लेकिन लास्ट में S नहीं है, तो apostrophe का sign children के बाद आएगा followed by a S. Third, the tools of the carpenter were stolen. Now we are talking about who? The carpenter. Possessive noun is carpenter. So carpenter is one person, singular noun. So the carpenter's tools were stolen. The carpenter's tools were stolen. Carpenter singular है, इसीलिए उसमें apostrophe s use किया गया है. Fourth, the room of his brother is decorated. Whom are we talking about? Whose room? His brother's room. His brother's. Brothers is the possessive noun. So apostrophe s. His brother's room is decorated. Now fifth, the hair of Vanshika is curly and frizzy. Now Vanshika, singular noun. So Vanshika's hair. Whose hair? Vanshika's hair is curly and frizzy. Rest of the sentence will remain same. This only we have to change it into possessive noun. The hair of Vanshika, Vanshika's hair. The room of his brother's room. The tools of the carpenter, the carpenter's tool. So this you need to keep in mind. The wife of that actor is a doctor. Now the wife of that actor. So that actor's wife is a doctor. We are talking about the possessive noun actor. That actor's wife. So actor will be having apostrophe s because it's a singular noun. Now the seventh sentence, students. The dresses of these ladies are expensive. Now here, students, the word ladies is plural. The word ladies is plural. So after s, sign of apostrophe will come. These ladies' dresses are expensive. The dresses of these ladies will change into these ladies. These ladies' dresses are expensive. These ladies' dresses are expensive and sign of apostrophe will come after s. जहां भी बेटा लास्ट वर्ड में s होता है, apostrophe का साइन हमेशा s के बाद में आता है. 8. The bag of that girl is heavy. So that girl's bag is heavy. Girl singular noun. So girl के बाद apostrophe and s. That girl's bag is heavy. That girl's bag is heavy. Singular noun जो लास्ट में s नहीं आता है तो उसके बाद apostrophe followed by a s. 9. The car of my neighbor was stolen. Possessive noun क्या है? My neighbor. तो my neighbor's car. Whose car? My neighbor's car was stolen. Neighbor is singular noun. So after neighbor we'll be writing apostrophe s. My neighbor's car was stolen. 10. The cars of my neighbors were parked in the street. Now we are talking again about the cars of my neighbor. So whose car? The cars of my neighbor. So my neighbor's cars. Neighbor is same, singular noun, but car in one sentence, here it is singular and here it is plural. So that will not make any difference. Don't get confused. आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, आपको मेन नाउन को देखना है. और हमने क्या अभी समझाया था कि पोजेसिव नाउन हमेशा आगे आता है. तो माय नेबर्स कार्स वर पार्क्ड इन द स्ट्रीट. नाउ चेंज इनटू प्लूरल. नाउ स्टूडेंट, द बॉयज हॉस्टल. अब यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है, इसको हमें प्लूरल करना है. सेंटेंस पूरा सेम रहेगा, बस पोजेसिव नाउन को चेंज करना है. यहाँ पे बॉयज था, बॉय के बाद अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस था. अब यहाँ हमने इसको चेंज किया तो क्या हो गया? एस के बाद अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन आ गया. एस के बाद क्यों आया? क्योंकि बॉयज प्लूरल है और जिस भी वर्ड के लास्ट में एस होता है अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन उसके बाद में जाता है. सेकेंड, द चाइल्ड्स बुक. अब चाइल्ड का प्लूरल क्या होता है? चिल्ड्रन. चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है बट इट डज नॉट हैव एस एट इट्स एंड, सो वी विल बी राइटिंग द चिल्ड्रंस बुक. वो सारे वर्ड्स जो प्लूरल है जिनके लास्ट में एस आता है उनके बाद बेटा खाली अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन. बट जिन वर्ड्स के लास्ट में एस नहीं आता है तो वहां पे हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी और एस लगाते हैं. द पीकॉक्स फेदर. नाउ द पीकॉक्स प्लूरल हो गया, एस लास्ट में आ गया, तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन कहाँ आएगा? एस के बाद में. अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन कहाँ आएगा बेटा? एस के बाद में. उसके बाद फिर कोई दूसरा एस नहीं आएगा. फोर्थ, द मेन्स वॉइस. अब मेन को जब हम प्लूरल करेंगे MEN, उसके लास्ट में एस नहीं आता है तो हम अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस लगाएंगे. द मेन्स वॉइसेस. वो सारे वर्ड्स जो प्लूरल होते हैं जिनके लास्ट में एस नहीं होता है, जैसे चिल्ड्रन, ऑक्सन, पीपल, मैन, विमेन, इन सब में अगर हम इनको पोजेसिव नाउन में चेंज करेंगे तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी और एस लगाएंगे. ये आपको याद रखना है. द पपीज टेल. अब इस पपी को प्लूरल करेंगे तो PUPPIES हो जाएगा. लास्ट में क्या आ गया? एस. तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन बेटा कहाँ आएगा? एस के बाद में. फिर हम we will not add one more s after s. ये दिमाग में रखिए. Generally I've seen students adding one more s. No. जब भी पोजेसिव नाउन होता है लास्ट वर्ड में जब एस होता है तब खाली अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन लगाते हैं, फिर हम उसमें दूसरा एस नहीं ऐड करते. नाउ 6, द फेरीज वेंट. जब फेरी को हम प्लूरल करेंगे तो FAIRIES हो जाएगा. लास्ट में क्या आ गया? एस. तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी का साइन कहाँ आएगा? एस के बाद में. 7, द ऑक्स हॉर्न. अब ऑक्स का प्लूरल क्या होगा बेटा? ऑक्सन. तो क्या हो जाएगा? द ऑक्सन्स horns. And the last one is the spider's leg. अब spider को plural करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? spiders. apostrophe का साइन कहाँ आएगा बेटा? after s. तो क्या हो जाएगा? the spider's leg. Students, please keep in mind कि singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in s will take apostrophe s, whereas all nouns ending in s will take only the sign of apostrophe, and non-living objects do not use s. And one more thing to remember, a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it.